Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So this is our lovely Dawn. She's back for a follow-up. So just for all of those that want to know how she loved her hair and her highlights. So Dawn, how did you love your hair?
I loved it. It made me feel fresh and springy, and the highlights just made me feel happy all the time, even on rainy days like it is today. And then I'm overdue for a haircut. That's why I'm here. I need it trimmed up and shaped up for the summer.
So it really worked well. It was easy for you because she had hair down to here. Her hair was long. Go look at the Jaclyn Smith video. It was like down to here. We cut a lot of hair and did layers in there. So your favorite was, you even love this length too?
It needs to be a little bit shorter, actually.
Okay, cool.
I don't think I'll ever go back to being super long.
Why?
This is easier to take care of.
Yeah, see, it's just, and it's pretty. It's not just easier, but it's pretty. She always looks pretty all the time at the weddings. You know, this is my sister-in-law. At my daughter's wedding, her hair looks stunning. And then when I've seen her at other occasions, it's just so fancy and fun. And her husband loves it too. That was another big thing, right?
Yep, and it's easy to do.
Yeah, that's awesome. So I'm going to take you for the road and the ride, which you guys know by now what kind of pattern we're going to use. It's called the beach ball pattern. The circle right in the middle. Here's the mohawk. Now listen, her part is to the side, but we're going to do the mohawk straight down the middle. This is section 1, this is section 2, and this is section 3. And of course it'd be like right behind the ear. Okay, so that's how you separate it to know. 3, 2, 1, 2, and 3. And you can go down right by that ear and just get that hair out of it. All right, so we're going to take the first one, and I'm going to show you how much I'm going to cut off of this. All right, I'm going to go right about there. And because I want this nice and full here, and I'm going to also point cut. So I'm going to turn around and really show you what that point cut is going to look like. Now look at, you know, right there's the bend. I'm going to go over it, and I'm going to ever so slightly take little tiny pieces out of that hair. See, just little tiny pieces. But that will literally make this lighter so this hair can hold up and have more volume. And that's what she loved about the haircut, was all that volume. Now I'm going to take a little section out of it, and you're taking basically triangles, not triangles, rectangles. Okay, either squares or rectangle. Let me see. I want to see where this guide is. The guide's right there. Okay, I'm going to take that out. I'm going to do that, and I still want to do some little texturizing here too. Same thing what I just showed you. And then we're gonna cut it shorter too, remember that. So I could do the frame first, but I'm just gonna do it after. Okay, so that's section 1. Now what you wanna do too, if you don't wanna get it too in the way of anything else, just go here, put it out of the way. And this is section 2. Look for your guide. It's right there. And then I'm going to do that little bit of piece cutting. I call it notching. And I'm taking a good 2 inches off. That's how much it's grown, because we want some really good volume and body up here. And then I'll texturize it. I'm just going to feel where the bulk is. I feel it, and that's the goal. Use your imagination, use your intuition, your 5 senses to cut hair. You're always feeling it, touching. Is it like too thick? Does it need less? Does it need more? I like this up here too. Look how good her hair curls. Oh my gosh, I love that curl. I mean, she's got ideal hair. Not everybody has this amazing, amazing hair. Let me see too. And then if you need to check it, let's just say you got lost and you need to check it, just look and see, okay, I definitely need to go a little shorter on this side. And now I'm going to go to section 3. Now I'm going to be behind her. Okay, because I'm always going to the head shape. And then I want to lift it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to notch it. Okay. Let me show you. Look at how beautiful her curls just come back to life. See how pretty that is? And I'm going to cut it probably about up to here. You want to go about here, Dawn?
That's fine.
Okay. And she's an easy one. She's very simple. She loves just to be able to wash and wear it. And with that beautiful curl, she'll definitely even do more. Now make sure you get all underneath here. Grab those fingers. I'm going to go right about here. Okay, now look at this. Look at this curl. And you're always feeling it, saying, okay, is both sides balanced? And let me tell you, with the right curl cream in this hair too, oh my gosh, you could just put that curl cream in it, wash it, and go. That's it. All right, now I'm going to just continue with this piece right here from the front. Remember, so that was 1, 2, 3. Now this will be section 4. This is by the ear. And of course you have to over direct by that ear. Okay, there's my section. Now I'm going to do point cutting. Go up because you know I have to over direct by that ear. Okay, now I'm on section number 5. Okay, here we go. Wow. When is the last time you got a haircut, Dawn?
I do believe it was right before the wedding.
Okay.
So 3 months.
Wow. Yeah, 3 months. I feel like it's longer. Okay, I'm just going to soften that. And that's her front. And I'm also going to do an angle to the front too. Yeah. Wow, looks so good. And now I'm going to be here and I'm going to take the next side and you're going to match it. So I want all of that off. I am going to notch it, bring it down. Now here's her ear, so I'm going to come up. Now what section am I on? I just want to see if you know what section I'm on so you remember. Like the more you practice this, the more you just know it, like without even having to think. You'll just know how to do it automatically. So good. But I will texturize it too because I want to show you guys more, but you won't be able to see it if I'm doing it from this side. Just little tiny pieces. Okay. Now we're going to come up to the front. Okay, now I'm going to show you what my notching, right? I'm just going to take little pieces for the bangs, just so it's piecier for the bangs. And then here too, you can take this up. You want to look. She needs it more full. Now listen, it's nice here. It's thicker right here if you see it, because that's where I want to just take little more pieces right there. Okay. Beautiful. Grab the bottom, the mid. Take like 3 sections to really check it. Oh. There we go. You want it nice and clean, because you want to just make sure everything's balanced. And you're gonna look, and there's little pieces here, but for the most part it's balanced. And then you can take the whole thing up. Check it, check it, check it. Looks great. Okay, see that? Nice and soft. I love those ends. And then look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I just love her curls. I wish I had this. I have to get a body wave for that, and I can't do a body wave anymore because my hair got so damaged. That's why I cut it off. Okay, so now I'm going to go to her side. Okay, because I already did her back. And I'm going to her side. I'm just going to point cut this a little bit. I'm going to come to her front. I'm going to go around. I want all that off. And even here, I'm going to put her angle coming this way and just angling all that. Okay, and it's really going to be by her eyes, and this will push back. You could actually even push it forward a little bit more so it pushes back even better. When you cut something forward, it pushes back naturally. So that will push back. Naturally, it's going to just go. And feather. I'm going to use a little of my favorite Formula 18 leave-in conditioner. Now there's a little trick right by this spot right here, because otherwise it could look a little muffy. I want to show you this. Okay, so get her bang out of there. It's this next section right here that you really want to like take, and you want to come a little like lower. I'm gonna take that next section. Okay. And now it'll really be like the Jaclyn Smith haircut right around here. It'll be so nice and piecey right there, because otherwise it's too long. See this like drag right here? We need to make sure that we get that and angle it down. So now I'm going to push her head over, because we did the back already. Now we're going to go over to the side. Okay, now I'm also going to do her bang. So I want to wet it a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to look at where I did this one, right? I want to like match it, take a piece there, and she's got a calic over there. Woo! See that little calic that pops up? So this way it won't be in her face either. I'm just going over to the side, get it out of her face. So it's going to push back nice. And then I'm going to kind of get that out of there, because I want to take that next section right here. I just did this haircut on Jane. the other day, and she even wanted those muffs out too. She's like, Kimmy, you know what? I just want it more short here, because somehow when you do this top and it comes over, this next piece sometimes comes down straight, and we really want to make it so it's very easy. Yeah, love that. And now you check it. Just check, check, check.
So let me ask you, how much different is what you're doing now from the initial cut?
I'm just doing it like shorter. Like it's almost identical, except I'm just giving you a little bit more like softness to it. You know, where it's going to be easier, so it's not like hanging in your face. Like, I feel like this will even lay a little bit nicer. I feel like you broke in from that long hair, you know? So, yeah, I mean, she has such good hair. Now I'm gonna blow dry it, and I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful.
It's lighter already, I can feel it.
Oh my gosh, it's so much easier. Yeah, and it looks good even when you do nothing to it. That's the best part. And then also you could check her sides. I just want to show you this last thing, and then I'm going to blow dry and I'll show you the end. All right guys, here we are, the lovely, beautiful Dawn. Look at how pretty all those layers in her hair are. So gorgeous. And don't forget to check out her highlight video. We did a shimmer highlight on her that's just absolutely so soft and so natural and just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Her cowlicks do perfect for this hair, so she could just push it back. She doesn't really like hair on her face or a bang. So it really looks stunningly beautiful. All her beautiful highlights, those shimmer highlights that just really do her hair. So much body and life and volume. All right, here we are, where it's a wrap. The beautiful Jaclyn Smith haircut. The follow-up.